Yo, what up? DCIS Chemistry, Mr. Saller here, coming at you with some demonstrations, of course. Let's go. Our first demonstration we're going to look at is the reaction between baking soda and hydrochloric acid. This reaction is very similar to baking soda and vinegar, vinegar being also an acidic solution. But this one just helps the reaction kind of speed up a little bit as well. And what we'll be kind of testing or investigating with is the molecules produced for each chemical reaction. Okay? So our first reaction, we're going to pour our acidic solution into the carbon dioxide. And just like we know and love, we see all that carbon dioxide produced, bubbles up. Okay? Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little flame test to see what molecule is present within our flask. And when we do so, I put this flame into our carbon dioxide. Okay, it goes out almost immediately. The reason it goes out immediately is because this flask is completely full of carbon dioxide. It pushes out all the air that was in our flask outside of our flask. So now we just have CO2 within our flask. Our second demonstration, we're going to try and test the presence of oxygen. Okay, we'll be looking at this decomposition reaction where we have H2O2 as our reactant, and we're going to see this molecule break apart into H2O. We're going to try and test the presence of oxygen now. Now, oxygen is required for any type of combustion, like our candle example. So a candle requires oxygen in order for it to burn or to combust. And we're going to be breaking apart our hydrogen peroxide right here. And let's see how this goes. All right, and we see our bubbles being produced. And let's go ahead and do that same flame test for this flask. And hopefully what we see is actually this candle, okay, actually increasing. Oh, very cool. Okay, so you guys can actually see, oh gosh, fire! So you guys can actually see the amount of oxygen, okay, really triggered that combustion reaction and actually accelerated the rate of combustion for that candle as well. Cool. Those are today's demonstration reactions, and I'll talk to you guys soon.